So using VS Code with Python is pretty easy. So what we're going to do, I want you all to create a CIT228 folder, and then you're going to open the folder. And this is really important because it is going to affect where Python looks for your code. So we're going to put all of our code into our CIT228 folder. And eventually we'll be doing little lesson folders in there, lesson or chapter folders. And right now, I just want you to create a little test file. I called mine test1, and then I selected the Python extension. And this is just a little two-code or two-line file with a message variable, and we're storing hello CIT228 in that, and then we're printing it. And come down here in this little terminal section. So what you want is for it to look in the folder that you have your code. So if my code is in the 228 folder, that is where I want it to look. And then the other thing you need to check is that it is looking at Python down here. This is your Python interpreter. So you do need to have that there. Otherwise, it can't run your code. So we're going to go ahead and run the code using the run button. And where you're going to see the output is down here in the terminal window. Okay, so you can see it right here. And to start with, this is how we are going to be running our programs because at the beginning of this course, it's about learning Python. Once you know Python, then we can get into the web integration component. So what do you do if it's looking at the wrong folder down here? Well, I mean, you could use command line to get it to the right folder, or you can just go to File and Open Folder. Find the folder that your code is in and select it. That is a lot easier than trying to work with the command line. For those of you that are familiar with Linux or even DOS, you probably will enjoy the command line. Otherwise, the rest of you are going to want to use the menu.